Rise and shine, heroes. Your world needs you. We are at day 8 in the Earl Nightingale challenge to create a miracle in your life. We're going to do it in exactly 2 steps. Step 1, write your goal on a card and take that card out each and every day and read it out loud to yourself. Step 2, for the next 30 days, do more than is expected of you. Work harder than you have ever worked before towards your goal. When you are working, don't let that work feel like it is unpleasant. Don't let it feel like it's difficult. You're working harder than you've ever worked before because you have a specific, measurable goal that you are chasing down. Make sure that you are a predator after that goal. Chase that goal down and take it down with strength. Make sure that you have got that goal in mind as you chase it down. Picture it in your mind as you're working. That way the work doesn't feel like something unpleasant or difficult. It feels like something that you are doing with a mission in mind. You have a destination. You are getting closer to your destination with every step that you take. All the work that you do has a purpose in mind. When you are working, work with that image in your mind. Work with that image in your head and picture it as you're doing the work so that the work doesn't feel like it's unpleasant or difficult. All right, heroes, rise and shine and get to it. Your world needs you. Please like and subscribe with notifications, because as we are going through this together, we're going to have a new video for you each and every day. If you want to go ahead and watch the next video, day 9 will be right here. Get to it, heroes. We'll see you in the next video.